Brand new from Milwaukee, this is the M18 Fuel 16mm SDS plus rotary hammer drill with Hammerback dedicated dust extraction. This is a versatile and compact tool for all your small diameter drilling needs, up to 16mm, and if you're driving with a tiny 3Ah high output battery, it will drive up to 89 50mm long green plugs. Making it perfect for HVAC, joinery, kitchen installations with that small size is an absolute win, and it does just about everything you need it to. It features 3 modes up front, from drilling to rotary hammering, all the way around to chiseling, and if you just turn it back half a step from chiseling, you can reorient your chisel. I'll just move the hook out of the way so you can see, but it does have forward and reverse under your thumb while you're using the tool, which is really handy because not all rotary hammers have that. It's got 3 nice bright work lights positioned around the head, so no matter where you put that side handle, you'll still be able to see where you're drilling. It also has a couple of handy safety features in the auto stop kickback protection, which stops you from breaking your wrist, and good anti-vibration system too. Working with concrete, masonry and similar materials, you've got to protect yourself from the dust, and this drill has a dedicated dust extractor which just attaches to the front. You see the difference that makes? Same material, same drill bit side by side here, with and without the extractor. Cool feature with this unit, unlike most extractors which clip on, it doesn't have its own dedicated motor, but instead it diverts the air that the drill already sucks through to cool itself, sucking that air through the HEPA filter so it sucks in the dust, captures the dust in the filter, and that cool air continues on through to cool the motor. That means the battery is still only running the one brushless motor, not having to run 2 motors, so using this extractor doesn't diminish your runtime and removes any excuses you might have for not running it. That Hammerback attachment also features a depth gauge and comes with 2 nozzle attachments depending on what size drill bit you're using. This new drill and the Hammerback attachment are available as bare tools at your local Sydney tool store, or you can get them together in a combo kit with a 3Ah battery and charger in a hard case. Make sure you check it out in the Milwaukee aisle right now, or head over to our website for the full specs to order online. If you've got any questions, as always, hit me up in that comment section down below. And until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.